Before you start cleaning card printer, please empty inside of the printer first. Remove the cards inside. First, open the top cover. Remove the ribbon from inside. Pull out the blue cleaning roller. Before you use cleaning cards, please connect power cable and USB cable. Turn on the power. When no ribbon warning message displays, please push eject button and LCD displays ready status. This is CR80 cleaning card. This is used for cleaning the printer path, roller and feeding roller. Now, I'd like to show how to use these cleaning cards. Insert the cleaning card to manual slot. First, press eject button and ribbon set button together. Select diagnosis and press ribbon set button. Then select clean mode and press ribbon set button. The printer will accept cleaning card. The printer will automatically start cleaning by moving card back and forth. When it's done, LCD display indicates clean complete. Then press eject button and ribbon set button together. To go back to diagnosis menu, press eject button to go to ready status. Remove the cleaning card. This is long T cleaning card. This is used for cleaning the printer path, roller and feeding roller. First, press eject button and ribbon set button together. Select diagnosis and press ribbon set button. Then select clean mode and press ribbon set button. Open the card hopper and put the cleaning card inside the hopper. Press ribbon set button to start cleaning. When it's done, please remove the card. Close the card hopper to navigate the menu. Then press eject button and ribbon set button together. To go back to diagnosis menu, to go back to ready status, press eject button. This is a cleaning pen. You can clean the printer's thermal print head using the alcohol tip. Turn off the printer before cleaning. Make sure to clean ceramic edge of the thermal print head. This is a cleaning swab. Take out an alcohol swab. Squeeze the plastic edge until liquid comes out. Make sure to clean ceramic edge of the printer, sensor, path, and rollers for better performance. After cleaning inside of printer, do not use the printer for a couple of minutes until alcohol solution is fully dried. When it's dried, insert the blue cleaning roller and install the removed ribbon. POINTMAN's standard cleaning kit includes 2 pieces of CR80 cleaning card, 3 pieces of alcohol swab and 2 pieces of long T card. POINTMAN's advanced cleaning kit includes 5 pieces of CR80 cleaning card, 7 alcohol swabs, 3 long T card, and a print head cleaning pen.